Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Anchored VWAP Thinkorswim. Anchored VWAP, or volume-weighted average price anchored to a specific point, helps you see the average price buyers and sellers have paid since a key event, like an earnings release, a gap, or a swing high or low. It's a powerful way to visualize potential support and resistance that adapts as new price and volume come in. Let's keep it simple and clear. First, open the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you're new or just testing, it's a good idea to use a paper trading setup so you can explore without risk. Make sure you've got the symbol you want to analyze ready to go. You can type it into the symbol box at the top of your chart. Next, click on the chart to bring it into focus. If it helps, maximize the chart area so you have plenty of room to see price action. Choose a time frame that matches your goal, daily for swing analysis, intraday for day trading, and zoom to the part of the chart that includes the event you might want to anchor to. Now look for studies. In Thinkorswim, the studies control is typically near the top of the chart window and looks like a beaker icon. This is where all technical indicators live. Click on Studies to open the menu. This reveals the panel where you can add, remove, or adjust indicators for your chart. Then click on Edit Study. This opens the main editor window, where you'll find a search field at the top and your current indicator list on the right. This is the central place where you manage everything related to your chart studies. In the search box, enter Ancho. This partial term quickly filters the list so you can find Anchored VWAP without typing the whole phrase. When you see Anchored VWAP in the results, select it to prepare it for use on your chart. If it doesn't appear, double-check your spelling or ensure your platform is up to date. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure. You'll be guided to choose the anchor point, typically by clicking directly on your chart at the candle or event you care about. Confirm the selection, and the VWAP line will calculate from that point forward. Use the settings to adjust color, line style, and visibility so it stands out clearly. If you use multiple anchors, differentiate them with distinct colors and names. Watch how price interacts with the line. Approaching the Anchored VWAP can highlight potential support, resistance, or areas of value. If you want to move or remove it later, return to the same studies editor and make the change there. That's it. Simple, precise, and effective. Practice anchoring to different events and time frames to see how the context changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Anchored VWAP in Thinkorswim.